Hey honeys, how are you? My name is Sajee Monai and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me. My good girlfriend from like 4th grade is here visiting from Amsterdam. So we're going to grab dinner. So I'm just getting ready, but I am a little bit pressed for time. So I'm going to this is probably going to be like a speed through get ready with me. And then I'll also bring you guys along the ride of us going out to dinner. So I'm going to play my music and get to it, okay?
Out to Spain, we in my domain, automotive bitch. Who drop 3.
right, y'all. So I am ready to go. I'm just going to moisturize my hands really quick. 'Cause we don't do dry hands, honey. I have to go pick her up. Of course, because she doesn't live here, so she doesn't have a car. So I have to go pick her up, and then we're like, we missed our reservation. So we're just going to see if they can just accommodate us. If not, we'll figure it out. I mean, most thing closes around here around like 8 or so o'clock. So I'm fairly confident that, I mean, not 8 o'clock. What am I saying? 9, 10 o'clock. So we'll figure something out to do. I'm just gonna powder down my neck a little bit more. Okay, I just washed my hands and stuff, so I'm not gonna try to get all this makeup back on me. So, excuse me for burping. I'm still working the wrap. Honey, we're gonna figure out something because it's already looking old to me. So I'm gonna have to figure out what else I'm gonna do. I just have this satin or silk shirt on with some jeans, and I'm gonna wear some boots. So hopefully today I get some photos, but we gonna see, okay? Yeah, so thank you for joining this part of, I guess, the Get Ready With Me. I'll see you in the next clip once we probably get to the restaurant. All right, see you.